Hello, and welcome to Home Cleaning Pro Module 3. How to dust a home. Here are the supplies you'll need for dusting. First, take your feather duster out of your tray and place it in your left back pocket. Next, we'll need a Swiffer sheet. Take one out of the plastic bag and let it hang out of your left pocket. Then grab your all-purpose cleaner, make sure the lid is on tightly, and put it in your right pocket. We use two different microfiber towels for dusting, the blue for glass cleaner and yellow for all-purpose cleaner. The yellow microfiber towel will hang out of your pocket with your all-purpose cleaner. Take your blue microfiber towel, spray it with glass cleaner, fold it, and place it on your left shoulder. And that's it, so let's get started. First, grab your high duster and extend it. Starting on the left side of the room, run the brush of the high duster along the line where the wall meets the ceiling. If there are any high fixtures on the wall, take the high duster brush and run it along the top and the sides. Keep your eye out for cobwebs, dust, and anything else that might accumulate on the ceiling. When you come to corners, run the brush from the ceiling down to the floor. Another type of high fixture is curtain rods. Take the high brush and lightly and gently run it over the top to brush away the dust. Remember, our goal is to get all the dirt to the floor so we can vacuum and mop it up. If there are any vents in the ceiling, we will run the high duster brush over the vent openings. For ceiling fans, we'll use the ceiling fan high duster. Turn the high duster brush flat to one side like an L. On each blade of the ceiling fan, carefully run the high duster brush from the back of the blade to the front, pulling the accumulated dust to the floor. Do not pull hard on the ceiling fan blades because they can break easily. Be sure to run the brush over the top and bottom of the centerpiece of the fan, as well as the top and bottom of each fan blade. Now we need to dust the lights under the fan. Using your high duster, dust around and inside each light fixture. As we move into low dusting, it's important that our eyes always move from top, middle, to bottom so we don't miss anything while we're dusting. It's important that we never